Turf Care and Hire has been going 17 years. Most of our work is government council work, oval constructions and oval maintenance.
Before Office 365, we had a generic email address, which didn't allow us to direct emails to a specific staff member, whether it be operations, whether it be administration.
We recommend Office 365 for Turf Care as it's a very robust email system. It allows for synchronisation of emails, contacts and calendar across all their devices. What that means for Turf Care is their ability to have visibility on different team members' mailboxes.
The boys have their tablets and their phones in the field. Anything happens, we have that information within a couple of minutes, which then we can relay to our clients.
They can respond very, very quickly, providing better customer service.
The client feels like they're on the ground, they know exactly what's happening with the day-to-day workings within the site. Office 365 has allowed us instant access and instant response time to our clients and to our staff alike.